Hi, amazing people, and very good morning. I'm again here with the new topic. I'm not a product of my circumstances. I am the only product of my own decisions. This topic is totally based on the motivational, and there is a lot of meaning. There is a lot of lesson which is hidden. If you try to get out some things from this topic, and you imbibe the all the content in your life, I think your life will be turned into very successful, and it is giving a lot of fruitful result in your life. What the meaning? One thing is very important that never allow your circumstances to dictate your life. Never allow circumstances to draw up your future plans, because you are not a product of the circumstances, but you are the product of your decisions. See, whatever you want to do in the life, you have to strong determinations, and you have to follow the things. If you feel any distractions, if any problem in your come life, you solve it and go ahead. But you cannot depend on the your circumstances, and you cannot blame anything. See, many business tycoon in the world, why they are the very successful? What is the basic difference between these people with the other people? These people always have the and mindset of the optimistic. They always solve the client problem, yeah, other problems. They never blame about any complaint, never complain about anything. So they try to find that what is the business opportunity once these people are complaining. If they are complaining many things, if other people are complaining other things, these people see the opportunity and try to grasp this opportunity and convert this opportunity into their business plan. That's why they are very successful. And one thing is very important: if you do any activity, if you start to change anything, so the situation, the means circumstances which is not in our favorables, and for some the same times we have the limited tools, but due to your effort, but due to your sincere putting hard work, and due to your well planned, how can you execute your plan, it the situation make and turn into the fruitfuls. They are the favorable situations. So the story, which is very important to turn your favorable situation from the unfavorables. It need a lot of time. It need a lot of mindset for the changing, and circumstances can be changed on your willing it and your self confidence. See, I am not a product of my circumstances. I am the product of my own decision. This is the quotation of the Stephen Covey, and I am telling the one story, one theory, which is also given by the Stephen Covey. Circle of influence and circle of concern. What the meaning? How can you make any event to turn into fruitful as per your planning? See, circle of influence, circle of concerns. This theory is totally based on your time and effort. See, time and effort for the any person is very precious in their life. Once it will go, it will never come. It will never come again. Then how can you utilize these resources in effective way? This theory is telling about that. This is the secret theory. If we follow, I think it will be very helpful in your life. We have to utilize. We have to put all energy and time where the matter is in your control, which is where it is matter of your influence. You cannot put anything beyond your of social concern, beyond of your capacity. It will be wasting of the times. If you start doing anything, write down what is your circle of influence, what is your strong point, what is your negative point, and there is some negative point which can be solved, but there is a negative point which is not in your control. The other person can be controlled, and then it better that that you have put all energy, all effort in your circle of the influence. Once you will be put more, I think the circle of concern will be narrow, and it will be little impact in your life. So my dear friend, this theory is very good, and we should follow in our life. And see, one thing is always also I want to tell that uh, the strong determinations and strong willing power for any activity, it will turn into the fruitfuls. This is the fact of life. Many people prove this one. And if you depend on your circumstances, if you blame the circumstances, and you will tell due to negativity, due to any things which is not in our control, and the result turn into the negativity, result turn into the unsuccessful. I can we should stop blaming to others. It's better that we have to believe in ourselves. We have to believe our own decision ability, and because you cannot never allow circumstances that you are the product of the any circumstances, but we have to believe that you are the product of your own decision. Thank you very much.